Hello my fellow pastry enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you on how to make a butter cake. The recipe will be in the description below. In a mixing bowl, add in softened unsalted butter and granulated sugar. With a paddle attachment, mix it on high speed until the mixture is white and fluffy. This might take a while, so please be patient, alright? Also, remember to scrape the side of your bowl so that the mixture will mix evenly. Then, on low speed, gradually add in your eggs. Make sure it's well mixed before adding the next, and do not overmix. Again, remember to scrape the side of your bowl so that the mixture will mix evenly. Then, on low speed, gradually add in your vanilla essence. This step is optional though, so you don't have to put it if you don't want it. After that, mix in your dry ingredients bit by bit. Let the mixer do its work. The mixture will then become creamy. That's the texture we want. Lastly, slowly pour in your milk and let it mix well. Let it mix until it's incorporated, then you're done. Then, pour your mixture into a cake pan. Remember to line it with a parchment paper so that the cake won't stick to the pan after baking. For this recipe, I'm using a 9-inch square cake pan. Remember to spread the mixture evenly around the pan. After that, put it in a preheat oven and baked at 180 Celsius for 35 minutes. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more baking contents. Thank you for watching.